Hey, I'm Mike Seuss, and I've been driving Tesla since 2021. I still remember the day I got it, how excited I was to finally have a car that not just makes my life easier, but also a blast to drive. It's been my daily companion ever since. But lately, I've been seeing all these reports of Teslas getting vandalized, tires slashed, windows smashed, and even set on fire in some cases, all because of the hate for Elon Musk. And it makes me pretty sad. Not because I'm some Musk superfan, but because this isn't hurting him. It's hurting people like me, regular folks just trying to get by. So I'm making this video to set the record straight and tell the vandals out there you're hitting the wrong target. Let's start with the obvious. Vandalizing my Tesla doesn't do anything to Elon Musk. Seriously, think about it. The guy's a billionaire running multiple companies. He's not sitting at home crying over a scratched hood or my busted tire on my car. Tesla's got bigger fish to fry, like competition from other EV makers or whatever's going on with their stock. I saw a report the other day saying their sales dropped 13% this year, and trust me, that's not because someone keyed my door. No, the real impact, that's on me. I'm the one stuck calling my insurance, shelling out for repairs, and figuring out how to get around while my car's in the shop. It's stressful, it's expensive, and it's unfair. And here's something else that really gets me. Just because I own a Tesla doesn't mean I'm on board with everything Elon Musk says or does. I mean, sure, he's a big personality, love him or hate him, he's everywhere. Lately, it's all this government stuff with Dodge and Trump, and I get why that rubs some people the wrong way, but me, as well as many other Tesla drivers, I bought this car way before all that kicked into high gear. I got it because it's electric, it's got a killer range, over 300 miles on the charge, tons of technology enhancements, and that autopilot feature, it's a game changer on long drives. I'm not out here waving a flag for Musk politics. I'm just a guy who wanted a great car, and I bet a lot of other Tesla owners feel the same. We're not your enemy, so why are we the ones paying the price? Now let's talk about something vandals might not realize. Teslas are watching you. This car's got 8 high-definition cameras all around it. Front, back, sides, you name it. There's a thing called Sentry Mode, and it's like having a security guard built in. The second something sketchy happens, it starts recording. I've got it set up to save everything to a USB drive, and I can pull up the footage right on my phone. Last month, I caught some kids throwing eggs at a neighbor's Tesla down the street. Crystal clear video, license plate and all. Straight to the cops, and they got what they deserved. And if that's not enough, I've also got an upgrade. If you're a subscriber on my channel, you'll remember that I installed the Viofo A229 Pro dash cam. It's got 4K in the front, 2K in the back, and even records inside the car. I installed it way before hearing about all this vandalism, and let me tell you, it's a peace of mind, especially now. So if you're thinking about messing with a Tesla, just remember to smile because you're on camera. And here is the bigger picture. This isn't just some petty crime anymore. It's now officially a hate crime, and some of these attacks, like the charging stations getting torched or showrooms getting shot up, are being called domestic terrorism. The FBI's got a task force on it, and people are talking about serious jail time. I read about a case in Boston where 7 charging stations got hit with Molotov cocktails. 7. That's not a prank, that's a threat. And it's not just about the car, it's about safety, community, all of it. I don't want to live in a world where I'm scared to park my car outside because someone's mad at a guy that I've never even met. It's gone way too far. So if you're out there and you hate Elon Musk, I'm not here to defend him. You've got your reasons and that's your call, but there are smarter ways to make your point. Go protest outside Tesla headquarters, write your congressperson, flood X with your thoughts, even start a hashtag. Whatever it is, just don't take it out on me or your neighbors. We're not the one calling the shots at Tesla or in Washington. We're just people who bought a car we worked hard for, a car we rely on. Hurting us doesn't hurt Musk, it just makes life harder for your own community. And deep down, I don't think that's what you want. So to anyone thinking about picking up a crowbar or a can of spray paint, put it down. You're not sticking it to the man, you're sticking it to the people like me. And we're not going quietly. We've got cameras, we've got the law, we've got each other. Let's keep this civil, alright? I'd rather see you at a charging station swapping stories than on my dash cam footage. Thanks for hearing me out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more Tesla content like this video. Until next time, peace.